and this is what I saw in the room. There are bags with our names. There is my name, eldest Audrey, and there is Berlin, my second sister, second in the family, and Evelyn, my younger sister, but I think she is number 5 in the family. I cannot remember because we are 11. We are 11 brothers and sisters, and this is Armina, my teacher sister. And there is Jovi, my nurse sister in Canada. And there is Suen, nurse in Canada. So this is what I reached in the room, decorated by my sister Evelyn. It's funny though. It's a decoration in the room. This is the room she prepared for me because we are meeting each other. They are on vacation. They come home for us to for bonding after 8 years. And my brother also. This is fun to see each other with my sisters, and there is me taking video. We are seeing each other in few days, but I am here in our ancestral house resting because we will be traveling. I just want to show you these beautiful bags that is here in our room. Like I said, this one, those are bags with our printed names. So beautiful. Look at that. Wow. With my names and our names. So nice. I love it. But I am their eldest sister, and there you go. And I'm just waiting for my sister to come home because she's out. She went to see her friends. This is the room we are staying. This is our ancestral house where we grew up. There is my luggage. There's my luggage. I covered my big luggage with an old t-shirt. This is our old house, ancestral house. There you go. This is my cabinet that I did not bring home yet to my house, made of Nara wood. This is mine, but I haven't traveled it to my home, my real home. I will soon get this. It's our house, our ancestral house. Decorations of my sister. She's the one taking care of this house. My younger sister, Evelyn. There are some old decors that we have. There's the other room. This is an ancestral house. The boys are sleeping here. My sister, full of bags. There's a teddy bear. And this is the front of our house, and there is the road just beside our house. That is the road. That is our neighbor's house. That is the step going downstairs. This is the step going to our ground floor. Here are the plants of my sister. There you go. These are all the plants. And this is the gathering area of my family. See you on the next video. I'm going back to have some rest. I need to rest because my feet is aching. Thanks for watching. My eldest daughter already has gone back home to, to our to my house in Isabela. It was raining hard when we reached here. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Back to the decoration. Thank you for watching.